Welcome to my channel friends. In this video we are going to talk about how to talk to your friend. So watch the complete video. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe. How are you? I'm all right. How about you? I'm very well. Where are you these days? I'm doing my graduation. In what faculty? In commerce. Well, what will you do after that? I want to do job. Good, it's great. Thank you. How many members are in your family? There are 5 members in our family, my parents and 2 younger sisters. What does your parents do? My father is government teacher and mother is a housewife. And your sisters? They are studying. Have you ever been to London? No, but definitely I will go along with my family after my graduation. Oh, it's great. Thank you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Bye.